How to cancel a To subscription. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel your To subscription. Note that it's very simple. And what do you do first? The first step is to log in into your To account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you can see your inbox. And then at the left side of the screen, you can see other options like search, inbox today, upcoming, filters and labels, my projects, home, my work, etc. So just go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. So after clicking on that, in the box displayed, click on settings, and then the settings page by the left side, you'll see options like account, general, advanced, subscription, theme, sidebar, quick add, etc. Just go ahead and click on subscription. Okay, just click on subscription and you're brought to the subscriptions page. Now currently my subscription page, you can see the option upgrade, right? But for you, you won't see that since you've upgraded already. What you would see is the cancel plan here. See the option cancel plan or cancel subscription. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to cancel. Select yes, confirm. You may be asked the reasons, ensure you type out your reasons, or you select any of the reasons displayed. And then once you click OK, the subscription will be cancelled automatically. Like that. But note that if you have a pro subscription, it will not auto renew after cancellation, but you can continue to use the pro features until the end of the current billing cycle, so you have no cause for alarm. All right, so this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a good day.